Guys, I have been walking for at least 20 minutes or so. Found me a nice little quiet park. There's nobody here. I've walked through my whole neighborhood. Nobody bothered me. I waved to a couple people. And I guess I could say I live in a pretty quiet community. It's nice just walking, relaxing, feeling good. It's a beautiful day. I had to put my shades on today. Got my counter going to see how many steps I take. So today, I got outside. I went outside today. I'm gonna let you guys see some of the beautiful view of what I see. Now, right behind me is a train tracks, and a lot of times the train comes. You get to hear it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm coughing now. I don't know why. It's something to do with the air, I suppose. Now, this right here, I think, is a baseball court. I see the little black bags out there to run the bases. And I used to bring my dogs out here, and at one point they would actually, oh, somebody was making a baseball. Okay. And my dogs would actually run the rim of the baseball diamond or whatever. But yesterday, me and my son were talking, and I was telling him I think I want to get me a puppy. I love my little baby, but she is just not a cuddler. I try to cuddle with her, and I end up getting a nice reminder that she don't like to cuddle. I keep hearing a knocking back there. That's why I keep looking. All right, I'm going this way. I don't like to hear knocks, because I'm not answering. I'm not answering that door. So anyway, I was thinking about getting a puppy, and I had to think financially. Am I ready for another pet? I'm getting there, where I'll be able to take care of baby and another pet to make sure they can go get their checkups and all that stuff. And so it's really heavy on my mind that I need a dog. I had thought I didn't want another dog. My dogs have been gone now for, it'll be 2 years in November 1st, it'll be 2 years. And sometimes I call baby Coco. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm a dog person. Of course, now I'm a cat lover too, but I miss my dogs, because they just have I don't know, something human about them, where they can read how you feel. Baby is cute and smart and all that, but she's not giving me the cuddles that I want. I keep trying to pick her up, and she'll let me hold her for a little bit, and then she wants to get down, and if I don't get her down, her claws come out, and it's like, look, let me down, lady. So I am seriously thinking about getting a puppy. And if I get a puppy, I'm sure I'll get a lot content from the puppy and baby. As a matter of fact, if I get a puppy, I think baby will be more like a mother to it. She's a very sweet cat, and she loves other cats and animals, so I'm pretty sure she'll be enjoying the puppy, because I definitely want a puppy so I can give it the temperament that I want, because I don't want to get a dog that's You never know what is gone through. And that's like with Baby. When I got her, she was an adult cat, and I have no idea why she was such a skittish cat. Didn't like to be picked up. Who knows? Maybe she was around kids. They picked her up, threw her down, because she's always nervous, I guess, that I'm gonna drop her. But I always put her down really gently, very gently. But this is my little video for today. I just wanted to show you guys that I am outside. And now, let me see, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see all the woods back there. We got some woods. So, who knows what's in those woods, right? And don't think I'm not out here without some form of protection for myself. I got some mace on me. I don't go nowhere unprepared for animals, people, whatever. We just don't know. I keep looking in these bushes. You just never know what's out there. So, stay prepared and you don't have to get prepared. Is that how it goes? And that's what I do. So, I walked through my community today. It's a lovely, quiet community. People are friendly. Oh, here's a dog, and of course he wants to bark at me. Hi, baby. Look it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. It's okay. I'm just going for a little walk. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. I know. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Hi. You're a good doggy. I know you want to play. I get it. Oh. But yeah, I think if he got loose, he'd probably just run up and jump on me. Doggies don't scare me. Not too much. Usually they just want to show their dominance. And that's how that goes. So I hope you guys have been enjoying all my videos. And keep watching them. You guys are doing an awesome job. My channel is just growing, and I'm just so totally impressed with the community I have on my channel, the people that I have just become so familiar with, close to, and it's a really great thing. So, look at this idiot. I shouldn't say that, but somebody's driving too fast, and then of course they'll go in our community and want to speed through. Look at that. And they already told us, stop speeding through there. And that's the thing I like. When you live in an area, you know, a community, there should be some rules. I don't think people should be able to just get away with anything and everything. I do believe that there should be rules set up and all that. And they did open the pool today. So, let's see. Yeah, pool's open from 10 to 8. But there's nobody in it today. And you know I have never been in the pool. Why? I just don't know. I've just never been in the pool. But I'm going to be pulling up to my house in a little bit. And that's going to be the end of my walk for today. I have probably, let me see what time it is. Wow. You guys, I have been walking for almost an hour. That is very good. How many steps? I have no idea. But it's good for my bones. It's very, very good for my health. and all that good stuff. So you need to get outside every day if you can, if the weather permits, and get you a good walk in. And if you can't get outside, be inside and get you some activity, whether it's dancing, laying on the floor stretching. But get that exercise in because it's good for you. All right, guys, I am going to be heading to my love mansion. So I am going to be seeing you guys in the next video. This is just an outdoors video that I'm doing because it's beautiful outside today. All right, so you guys take care. See you in the next video.